We now turn to a story about bees. Yes, bees, the industrious little insects that do a lot more than provide the honey in your tea. Now, not everyone likes bees. They sting, they swarm, they can incite fear. They even upstaged President Obama during the Easter egg roll last year.
Oh, no, it's a bee. It's okay, guys. Bees are good. They won't land on you. They won't sting you. They'll be okay. Wait.
And the president's actually right. Bees are good because bees pollinate the fruits, nuts, and vegetables that are crucial for our diets and the nation's food industry. Experts have said that you can thank a pollinator for 1 out of 3 bites of food that you eat. A vital part of our economy also rides on the tiny little backs of bees. They contribute more than $15 billion in value to agricultural crops each year in the United States. Yet the buzz around bees has been bad lately. Beekeepers have for years been reporting unusually high losses of 30 to 90% of their hives. Over the past decade, billions of bees have been lost to something called colony collapse disorder, a phenomenon in which the majority of worker bees in a colony disappear and leave their queen behind. Reports have linked the decline to the combined stress of parasites, pesticides, and habitat loss. In 2014, the Obama administration created a federal strategy to promote the health of honeybees and other pollinators. But the bee, according to a recent UN-sponsored study, remains in jeopardy, and that means our food supply could be impacted too. Now, before you fall into apocalyptic despair, know that there are steps that can be taken to help the bees. According to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, that includes planting a pollinator garden, providing a nesting habitat, and avoiding or limiting the use of pesticides. In fact, this 11-year-old bee ambassador, Michaela Omer, is taking it even further. She created her own business selling one of our favorite things, lemonade, and she donates a percentage of her profits to organizations who work to save bees. A little help for the bees could actually save human